This is another one of those scenarios that I'm not sure why everybody makes their YouTube videos so long, because it's actually reasonably quick and easy to do this. So as you can see on the screen, I've got these chapter marks, and what this is that's so that you can skip ahead to specific points in the video if you want. So here's a video that I did yesterday, and you can see it does not have these. However, down below, I actually did put in the timestamps, so if people want to skip ahead to a certain point, they can. But it didn't add that chapter mark, and there's the reason for it. You just need to do something really quick here at the beginning of the timestamps. So go to edit video, however you want to get to your edit video. And then within edit video, the first thing you want to put is start. And then 0.00. And it doesn't matter if the timestamps are before or after. Either way, it'll work the same. So I saved it, going back to my video, and you see now we've got all those little chapters. So that's it. That's all you need to do, is just make sure to have the start 0.00 at the beginning of wherever your time codes are. And again, it can be before or after. So if you had this 0032 before the text all the way down, that's fine. It works the same way. There you go. Super quick and easy. Have a good day.